guys, welcome to a new video of Showoff Imports. This is our third video, I think. Today we have a new product, or not really new, but we sell it now for almost 1 year and it's a really popular product. And we wanted to share this product with you. What is it? It's green, it's a bottle, it's a can, whatever. It calls Alu Teufel Special. It's a wheel cleaner, we call it our Teufel wheel cleaner. Just €15.95, pretty cheap. But it works really good. We already tried some other brands like Maguire's, but for now this is like our most famous wheel cleaner we have. Everyone knows when they are coming in our shop, they ask like, oh, I want a wheel cleaner that turns into purple. A lot of wheel cleaners turn into purple. But yeah, we tried it by ourselves, and yeah, we are really happy about this product. I will show you in the video. We have a Subaru outside. The Subaru is already clean, but not the wheels. Yeah, we're using the spray now. Like I said, it's green. It really smells. It smells like eggs. You can try it by yourselves. For sure you recognize the smell. If you put it on, you have to wait for around like 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, and after 1 or 2 minutes it turns into purple. That's what you're going to see now. It turns into purple. We didn't do anything, we just spray it on. Just use the water gun, clean it, and you're done. You don't need any brushes or other tools, you just have to spray it on, waiting for a couple of minutes, and you're ready. So for now, I can show you the product, the bottle. It's already half empty. If you want to order this product, you can go to our website. It's www.showoffinports.com. You have a search menu. You can type in the 233419. That's the item number of the product. It's just €15.95. Yeah, delivery time, normally we have it in stock. This was our last bottle, but tomorrow we get like 10 or 20 new bottles. If you want to order, just use the website. And for sure, you have really nice and clean wheels this summer.